Opemsuo TV so eni yamamunyina makwaba aha Toase Otumfuo say to the second foundation womuni Newmont Gold Africa akabomoa womo commission AI Lab Center ewo Toase sendie beya ebebo humesua ewo Toase ene nimpotemu na yenimse Otumfuo say to the second foundation de womo ye edoso pa sabre no wiase edane ne ho akọ abefu kwanso enutina foundation yi ekosi lab center womode eboa emofra no ehumesua na AI Lab Center yi we ni de toso emiensa foundation no a commission de dikan kra no kunsu yoso ena afe kona etoso emienu de toso miensa ena enei no womo commission ewo Toase na botayenti a foundation no a commission AI Lab Center no eni se womo pese womo eboa ehumesua ewo mpotemu wonum se ne ebeya yebeboa ye mofrai ma womo hunya nimde foforo ede akade womo nim dada no ehum eba abefu kwanso jumedie no ase Toase hene na yim are abebio wode nenimonyam ebeta jumedie no echi afi esuminyama hene na ochiri kusi intrama nanu ena Toase hene na yim are abebio wada empenifoi na afi foundation ni ase sendei womo ababesi AI Lab Center bi ede amane manfo na wo hyebo se wono ankasa ebehwe sene ebeya dwumedie bi e wose womu edi ewo center hono womu bedi na etimi aboa emofra no ehumesua ana afi womu edachi
Mr. Mikasa kakra manage pise ene den su wayi mi se me mema ananom ni mpanfo dwumedi mu akwaba odeni ho ochikusi trama asunya hene osanse vice board chair Otumfuo foundation nana Jim Are abebio Toase hene Newmont Africa Municipal Director of Education Nana Pukuya Amwako MP ni Rep Joans Amomensa Oha Staff of Otumfuo Foundation Representative of Coral Reef Innovation Africa
Yebebon Paye Pache na ebesi trase Ya Otumfuo Yeda wase enedei Yeda wase ewa adefefa Echagwo ewo Toase ekuru yera wase wahemfo yera wase mpanifo a ehwe enwomasua so yera wase biem asante hene ane na nusu aduhunu se adusua bekoso na wati foundation kase wei na Toase kroi nkawe ane atwuma ha nyina ba benya computer so emfaso eja udemo anesia enanopai yesrew se ubeti wiemama yen amajumadie ebekoso kama akọ na wiye yede adofo a etwasie nyina se wonsa enkanka omu a ebefa kasa mu akasa akire doma yehia bebo mpaye nyansa ya hemfu yihia nimbia omuhia yede director of education ani ampanifo etwasie nyina awade emfa nkame yen enanopai ye mpae bo ne ade srede ne sɛ akyerɛkyerɛfo a wa ha master of the school ya no ne school so a ɛtwa wɔ nkawe to ase nyinaa akyerɛkyerɛfo ne schoolfo dwumadie bɛkɔ wiye no na yɛ mfaso de bebree na ama yɛn yɛgye wadi da nyankopɔn a yɛbisa wa wotie yɛnim sɛ watie na wayɛ nso ama yɛn yɛda wase Yesu demu ani abɔ mpae moma yɛ nyinaa nka amen.
Zoya yɛda wase ne wa nudi sɛm a wodi abɛgye wɔn sɛ ɔma yɛ nyinaa kɔ aba na wodi wa nudi sɛm ɛde ama yɛn yɛtoa dwumadie no so sɛbɛfrɛ Otumfuo Foundation na ɔmo nso ɔmo bɛka nti a yɛhyɛ mu ɛwɔ Toase kurom ha yi sɛbɛto nsa afrɛ Miss Abigail Boateng na ɔde Otumfuo ɔsɛ to the second foundation ɔmo di sɛm. That is the purpose of this gathering. I don't know the way. So Miss Abigail, can we?
Good afternoon. Odenuho Ochre Kusin Chama, a Sujaman Hene, and board member of the Otumfuo Foundation, Nana Yim Are Abibio, Toase Hene, Mr. David Johnson, Director of Communication, Newmont Gold Africa, Municipal Director of Education, Achuma Wabieja, Representative of Honorable Shelley Boateng, Member of Parliament of Achuma Wabieja South Constituency, Nananom, teachers and students, community members, friends from the media, all protocol observed. It is a great honor to represent the Otumfuo to the Second Foundation at this remarkable occasion, the commissioning of the AI laboratory here in Toase. This milestone, achieved in partnership with our esteemed sponsor, Newmont Gold Africa, marks a bold, forward-looking investment in the future of education in our communities. Today's event is more than the unveiling of a facility. It is a symbol of hope, opportunity, and empowerment. With this lab, students in Toase and surroundings communities will have access to training in artificial intelligence, robotics, coding, and digital literacy skills that are essential in the world we live in today. At the Foundation, we remain committed to promoting access to quality education, especially in underserved areas. This initiative reflects the broader vision of His Majesty Otumfuo II, who continues to champion education as a powerful tool for transformation and progress. We are proud to know that this is the third AI Lab Center commissioned within just 18 months through the collaboration of the Otumfuo Foundation, Newmont Gold Africa, and our technical partner, Coral Reef Innovation Africa. Together, we are helping to reshape education landscape across Asanteman. We extend our sincere gratitude to Newmont Gold Africa for their unwavering support and commitment to sustainable community development. Together, we are not only building facilities but shaping future, ensuring our young people are equipped to lead in a fast digital world. May this AI lab become a hub of creativity, innovation, and excellence, and may it serve as a spark that unlocks the full potential of our youth. Thank you. Nyamisha Mpepe.
Ama yenyina ehu efaswa edibeba community emu. Your address back on the Yewiana Yatua. So be for Coral Reef reps. Amwa na omoso omode omani di sem edi
absate to the Second Foundation. Nane Yim Are Abebio Toase Hene Newmont Africa, the Municipal Director of Education, Nana Pokua Moakon, Nananom, staff of Otumfuo Foundation, staff of Coral Reef Innovation Africa, heads of schools, students, friends from the media, Ladies and gentlemen, all protocol observed, good afternoon. It is a true honor to stand before you today as we gather here in Toase to commission the third of our AI labs following the successful launches in Rioso and Kona, all made possible through the visionary partnership between Otumfuo II Foundation, Newmont Africa, and Coral Reef Innovation Africa. At Coral Reef, we like to say that we are building an ecosystem of innovation, just like a real coral reef. We collaborate, experiment, and grow, creating vibrant, inclusive spaces where ideas and talents can thrive. Today is proof that this vision is not a far-off dream, but a reality taking shape, one lab, one student, one community at a time. Why AI and why here in Toase? Because the future is not waiting for big cities like Accra and Kumasi alone. The future must be equally accessible in Rioso, in Kona, and here in Toase. We cannot talk about education transformation without talking about equity. We must ensure that a child in a rural community has the same exposure to future-facing technologies as one in a private school in the capital. With this lab, we are saying to our young people, you are not too far and you are not too small. You are being equipped today to solve tomorrow's problems, whether it's using AI to improve farming, healthcare, education, or even starting businesses we haven't yet imagined. These AI labs are not just about access to computers, they are about shaping mindsets, they are about training teachers to guide learners in using AI ethically, creatively, and responsibly. They are about sparking curiosity and preparing students for a world where the ability to ask smart questions of machines will be just as important as knowing the answers. Education 4.0 is a reminder that the fourth industrial revolution is already here. We are living in an age of machine learning, big data, and intelligent systems, and Ghana must not be left behind. These AI labs are part of our bold response to that challenge. I want to sincerely thank our partners, Newmont Africa and the Otumfuo II Foundation, for not just believing in this vision, but working with us, investing in it, and making it come alive for the benefit of our children and their future. To the teachers here today, you are not being replaced by technology. You are being equipped with new tools to enhance your teaching. AI does not remove the need for human connection. It deepens it when used right, and you are the heartbeat of that transformation. To the students, let your curiosity lead you. What you learn in this lab could one day lead you to solve a problem for your town, your country, or even the world. Let me end with this. This lab is not the destination, it is the launch pad. What we've started here in Toase must ripple across Ghana, empowering every learner with the digital skills they need to thrive in a changing world. Thank you, and let's keep building the future together.
Thank you, Miss Audrey. Thank you so much. Thank you. The students, you are not too far and you are not too small. The teachers, we are not replacing AI with whatever you are doing. And Kolano Sena Coral Reef for Air Cannon. On that note, let's move to the next item. Mashedana major introduction and with a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, Umaifa Ensemble Asia, Ministry Director of Education. Now Alpha Namibisan and Nana Pokia Sembia Oduhe. Nana Pokia Amwako. We'll do the introduction later. Hello.
Nana Ocheriao Ntrama, our very own Toase Hene, Nana Yim Are Abebiu, Nana Nom, Honorable MC's Rep, honorable MPs rep, representatives from Otumfuo Osei the Second Foundation, representatives from Newmont, Ghana, rep from Coral Reef Innovation Africa, distinguished guests, head teachers, pupils, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to you all. I am deeply honored and delighted for the opportunity to address you on this important occasion, the inauguration of a state-of-the-art artificial intelligence AI lab here at Toase MA Basic School. On behalf of the management of Atwemangwa Municipal Education Directorate, our dedicated heads of schools, teachers and all the school children in the municipality, I extend a heartfelt appreciation to His Majesty Otumfuo Osei II, the Asantehene. The establishment of the Otumfuo Osei II Foundation has indeed been a blessing to us. Here in Atwemangwa Municipal, we've not only seen but experienced the impact of the foundation, and today's event stands as a shining testament to that. We are equally grateful to Nana Toasehene for your unwavering support for the advancement of education in the municipality. Nana, we sincerely thank you. Our warmest appreciation also goes to the Newmont Ghana for partnering with the Otumfuo Osei II Foundation to make this remarkable facility a reality. Your generous support for education is truly commendable. A big thank you also goes to the Coral Reef Innovation Africa. You dedicated computers and other accessories for the AI lab and trained selected IC teachers in our municipality in coding, and we are so much grateful for that. And to every individual who has made this occasion a reality, we say thank you. Nana Chair, ladies and gentlemen, technology has become an inseparable part of our daily lives. In fact, it has turned the world into a global village, transforming communication, education, business, and virtually every sector. Today, even those with little or no formal education can be seen using mobile phones, devices that have evolved far beyond just calls and messages to become tools for productivity and learning and innovation. Nana Chair, it is clear that any individual or nation that fails to embrace technology risks being left behind in the journey of development. McKinsey Global Institute estimates that by 2030, 800 million workers globally, that's about 1 out of 5 workers, could be displaced by automation or introduction of technologies in work processes. However, as with every powerful tool, technology must be learned and understood before it can be used effectively. Just as a car needs a skilled driver, technology requires users who are trained and knowledgeable to be able to apply or use them in order to reap their immense benefits. This is why the integration of digital literacy and computer skills, including AI, into formal education is not just important, but essential. It is for that reason all of us have gathered here today. The inauguration of the AI lab here at Toase is a bold step towards equipping our children with the needed tools and skills they need to thrive in a fast-changing digital world. I am confident that this lab will transform the technological journey of every pupil or student who walks through its doors with determination and curiosity. It will serve as a catalyst for innovation, creativity, and academic excellence. Nana Chair, I wish to assure you and the sponsors of this facility that management of the Municipal Education Directorate will closely monitor this facility and ensure its proper usage. We are committed to making sure it serves its intended purpose for many years to come. Once again, thank you. Nananom Yedamase.
Thank you so much, Nana Pokia Amwako, Municipal Director of Education of Toase. You go Jumadina, so Namisremo, we any first, but we'll do due diligence to that. The next address I have, Wefa Ensemble Asia, Newmont Africa, na also omofa omo amidisem Alpha and Rain. Bon Sembra or
Nana Ochre Kusi Intrama, its Major Hini and Vice Board Chair of the Otumfuo Foundation. Nana Eyim Are Abebio, Toase Hini and Special Guest of Honor for today's event. The Municipal Director of Education, Municipal Chief Executive, representative of the Member of Parliament, Nananum, representatives of Coral Reef, heads of schools and teachers of Toase, students and pupils, colleagues from the media, esteemed guests and partners, ladies and gentlemen, I bring greetings from the Managing Director and the entire leadership of Newmont. It is with great pride, humility and honor to join you today for this very special occasion. I never thought I would use pride and humility in the same sentence. But on a day like this, I can't help but to take pride in what we have achieved together, but also humbled by the sheer and genuine dedication of our leaders. I'm also proud because I work for a company where Nana and Trama laid the foundation even before I joined. Nana, thank you. You've created a path that we are walking, and I'm grateful. And speaking of leaders, let me commend the Otumfuo Oseitutu Foundation, Coral Reef Innovation Hub, and Nana Abebio for the tireless efforts in what we are inaugurating today, which marks yet another important milestone in our collective journey to expand access to technology and digital education. As has been said already, this is the third of such facilities that we are partnering the Otumfuo Foundation on. The first was in Wioso, the second in Kona, and we have met here again today with a burning desire to help unlock opportunities for these young minds in Toase. In a world that is fiercely being driven by technology, having skills in deep learning, quantum computing, and big data will not only help our children at Toase to catch up with their peers in the so-called big cities, but will certainly enable them to be front runners in the technology space. There is ample evidence that communities often overlooked due to their distance from urban centers and are lacking in infrastructure are often overflowing with talent, creativity, and ambition that deserve every opportunity to thrive. Through our AI Smart Laboratories initiative, Newmont and the Otumfuo Oseitutu Foundation are taking an important step in bridging the digital divide and laying a foundation for inclusive, future-facing education. The construction and commissioning of these smart labs are not simply about deploying equipment for their own sake. They represent a powerful symbol of empowerment, inclusion, and the shared value we place in investing in human capital. And may I at this point highlight a particularly inspiring story. Just last year, with the support from Coral Reef and in partnership with the Otumfuo Foundation, students from WIOSO, where we commissioned our first AI Smart Lab, placed fifth in the national robotics competition, which had representation from the whole country. This is no small feat and speaks volumes about what is possible when young people are given the tools and guidance they need to succeed. Our hope is that the Toase Smart Lab, which we are commissioning today, will also serve as a launchpad for young people to explore the ever-evolving world of technology and innovation. These spaces will nurture the thinkers, inventors, and leaders of tomorrow. They are incubators of possibility. Our vision goes beyond the mere transmission of knowledge. We aim to foster digital literacy, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills that are essential in thriving in today's interconnected world. Through the digital libraries embedded in these smart labs, entire communities will gain access to a wealth of information and learning materials, enabling individuals to pursue their dreams and ambitions. Under our partnership with the Otumfuo Foundation, Newmont has committed 1.7 million Ghana cedis to support the establishment of 6 of these smart labs over a three-year period. It is heartwarming to note that Coral Reef Innovation Hub, which is a proudly Ghanaian organization, is not only leading the implementation but also managing the facilities to ensure their sustainability and excellence. To our dedicated teachers, I commend you for the critical role that you play. You are the architects of change, shaping young minds and providing hope, and guiding the generation towards a future filled with possibilities. We acknowledge your passion and commitment. To the students who benefit from this facility, this is your moment. Embrace it with curiosity, confidence, and diligence. Your future can start here within the 4 walls of this facility. To Nana Ayim Are Abebio, thank you for hosting us and for your visionary leadership and being advocate for the youth of Toase. And finally, to the Otumfuo Osei the Second Foundation, our esteemed partner, thank you. Your unwavering belief in the transformative power of education and technology is truly inspiring. We are proud of what we have achieved together and excited about what lies ahead. Through this shared vision, we are not just building smart labs, we are building brighter futures. As we look ahead to the remaining installations, we Newmont remain committed to nurturing potential and unlocking opportunities in every community we serve. We thank everybody who has been part of this journey. Thank you.
Thank you, Newmont Africa. It was the Papa. Now can you say Newmont 40? Omonijini say Omubebua and Kola. Na Omako Omadosuko Ewa Adisumu Omodesa Abefo Infidi Ediye Ejuan. Number Koswa Abwa Ama Jumedino Akoso Omoni Otumfuo Foundation Ebekoso ID Sajuan Osanso da Coral Reef Innovation for Ase say
Yeah, many opinion. And I should be my hand. Nananuma Mubaha. Education penny for school granny teacher for Newmont Ghana, Coral Reef. Otumfuo Osei Foundation. Nipa wa hanyina manage kese se my broso se to asehne adia I been see da esi ha ne idi kan me da sada kese e ma me wura Otumfuo se to choose antehne se adwene kese a wode adekase wode esi ne so so be peja adisua na ma adisua emu aye duru e wa santimemu e wo Ghana ene Ghana memu ene ya chire nyina ekoso anene ebi aduru to ase ohene ebetra akonya so yi o ka se adisua de on tuna se se nemrem ye nkokon fa chire man bio ye de adisua ye de mpuntuo e da chire o mai eno na ekoso na to ase so ye hunu bie mi raye madum ma be fa nanu tuo mi so ka se Sajma die kese na wo etimira ni so benso modern kakra bi ametima bo e ba bi kakra mehwe so ama mi wurai na me so ama adesua ene mpuntuo akoso no e bo ho modern da nanu ma se na yehu ni a yehu we the ministry teacher for ni education penifo sa die kese a mi wura da roma o ma bi aso na ko aso to ansi mbo hwe so yi ama me na me konemi se mi wura me nyamane pa e de abon a school for class na mrem de adesua ye de abefo mfidi abai na esua na abefo mfidi adesua computer so adesua for tima ya ma bi akọ animu ese afede de bibi se artificial intelligence aba nkrai mu nyina mo ehomode ni esua ni ye so de nkrai bi ti ba bi a omu sua omu de ye ma akese no ye nkrai se de bi ya ye computer so a na ye de kodi agronkoa ye ko ani de TikTok so ni de Facebook ni e twetwe nsama emfa mpuntuo ma wo de santehina da roma wo de afidie kese ya toa ye we kurom to ase ye nsua ni ye ko computer no so ye so de ayade a daachi bi ebetumi e de abobra bidam penifo nyina ase akam da Newmont fo ase bidam foundation fo ase Kora Rip fo bidam ase minu apanyine bidam ase pa se ne abasra uni akitwa ewo to ase ya me fe ma ho a bidam ase mani so bebre da na mi na ase ne penifo nyina ase se ne ye nyina ya ba to ase ya bidam ase
nefe asantimamu die se ye dwumedie bia na se agora mbemu a na chese dwumedie no ntie da mo ase Toase MA Basic School maya die papa sene ameka no yedu ebunu enti mede akasem no beko mi amena na odino ochikusi ntrama oye ohene omanhene ewo sumoya no san ya board member ewo Otumfuo say to the second foundation ono aso ye asanteman benkum hene na oye eduana fo nyina omopiesi betutu me nan na mede akasem na kama no na yetie na ne bisi
Aure abadio tuanse hini ana unkwaso Newmont mpanyifo amowa ha Kora Rip mpanyifo nso amowa ha municipal chief executive any mpanyifo nananom atwerɛtwerɛfoɔ tuanse man nyinaa ba mo nyinaa akɔ aba ansa na mede manosɛm ɛbɛto dwa no mede kan ɛde nkyia anikabea ɛbɛfiri mira Otumfuo ɔsɛ tutu a wɔtɔ so mmienu ɛna ne ho kafoɔ Lady Julia sɛ ɔdamu nyinaa se na ɔkyea wo biara ɔde ne hyira ɛma mo nyinaa ɛnedue yi awanwadie a nsiye ena ABC ni nyina ne sen eni se ne due yenso anka bi obi aka se yense ne yemfata yenso yebenya AI lab e woto ase ha na to ase hini etimi ahwe ama yesi ejumadi we e woni cross enyo obi ana ade pa ekwa obeso tinana besan adawasi Newmont form so eyenya me de say eniwa bi a yetoto ye tamana me adwuma ma Newmont no eni due yimia ma be hu bi omo corporate social responsibility any omo interest in education as part of Omankasa foundations no etumi abebi adwumadie wa hanom eno ne toso me se organa mamu a ne be dawo masepa deje se tamana me wo ho no enema ne adwundwi ni nyina no omugusu ye amanabem coral reef and so sinamesi atai djubadie echi na me dekra ne de say yetumi enya partnership a eye Ghana fo ena eye die ejesi ye dwune ye kru ehu enumu kakra ene de be peja ye ban ejuma ye di nyina ye di mahifo enkwara school for emabunu ene de mati dene tadwe ene ye moda ifri ne eko nyina when your opportunity se mo be yusu sa AI lab enye timbia ene o se trans ne adwene se computer eba be say adwuma ye gidi se enumum ene eba be peja adwuma na se mo esuafo mu frase e entem na musua ni yia adwuma mo pese mo ye no munyini a mo ye no mo frase e kra dada na mesre ye nyina ye nkora pen enya fi eni ye bro AI lab no na ye koye ni mafufuro kra emfa ye tie ya ebinum Joseph no eko national competition omoto so enum ekrasi ni bebibium enye nkran eni kumase anase enye school a obekọ ene bema wo hu bibi be ye wan kasa wa hyede a obeye intimide mi gidi say ansana ye besa akọ the next competition no na ye betia ne say to asen so edinkuni a teacher for I just said you may ebe shabunsa muwo asudi pa minisa mudi minisa mbutu ya yenso ma yibi pen ma chire ye nyina ya de free mo from abedru sesebra bi etumako university nti we de eye ade a mo betima ya mara broso nti mekuso na madam ase se mo hwe nyuma no so yi si ye ba ya ensei asane be se kro no ni yenhwe se ye be ye home maintenance ye nimu a si ye si ye na ye mbusa Newmont for any coral reef for be gidi se o mo ni mdefo a on ba ba hyehye si ye ba ya infidie na ye be yusu ensei ipenifo ejamu eni maame mu munyi nyina fa ye ho de mwa na ne ene ye hu no se pese ye mano ekochiri dachin o madisuem ene o madwuma ye pamu a Sadi aye be nay, and no, and I was a moshia manum crying. Now almost so it to me is here. Now the bebo mobra daji. Me to me can we Namija Yankasa Otumfuo Ose the second foundation. Ebani se ansana ejumedi ebaye. Ni nyina ne se ya hene Otumfuo ni nimdie ene ne daye pa osonye abra obeya asante hene esi adusua de onjam na foundation also 25 years ago. Foundation made the Juma be brave. Ewa Ghana mem. Enye asante nko a eno ni ade a ede. Emfa ho ni baby ofri. Emfa ho ni baby awte. Emfa kasa woka. Ene emfa ho so yoba ana wo ye bema. You say ubisua de nko ade a obeboa wo amosua. Foundation no so mbotiye mpenyifo pii abam oma behwe se yura na nisu adi hu na ode baaye no e akoyiye ni ahyehye no pepepepepepe nti ye di enasie ema yankase foundation a me da me ye board member esan ye vice chairman nananom amobaye ye hobi ya tibi yenso yeko na sieti ho a na yetumi akase yura asante hene aye bia mai into your sayi beda munyina ansi semoba ye nyina yidi se ne ebehu se adekura ye kanu enye nokura ye behu mesada Newmont for Coral Reef nananom obia obabia beda munyina ansi nana to ase hene besada wasibiom se yenso baaye foundation na make yi and am yanka so asuminya hene ene mempenyu for baaye nso no nso waje ye fefefe so jame nka ho
Anisa na sene yedebia eka no ese yedum pombo ese yekohwe ne a ewo edem eho no na ebe de ne yakwa akohwe na me na wa haidie ono na mesa afre no na yafre mpanifo no school for kakra ma omo nyina edi echi na yakọ akutwa ahomanimo enti adino ho ochirikusi etrama odawoma esumunya mahine odawoma mesel nanka odawoma wapiki coming in majestically to cut the tape for us. Nana, Boko, yeah, I see Nana. Yeah, I see Nana. Above for trusting the SMD. Newmont to see SMD. The name to say, yeah, that is so that like
website. But with the same on the website, the learners must build it themselves, so that we will be here to watch them build it, and we'll send the videos back to you so that you see what they are doing. Yes, so now we've got the technology people just to walk you through a few of the things right now. Thank you for the honor. So basically what we are going to do today is to actually demonstrate using coding to cause things to work. Probably we've seen robotic cars, we've seen things, we are calling it AI, but they are all done with a backend of some form of coding. And to start coding, we have to start from known to unknown, as teachers say. So we'll be demonstrating how we can use a tablet, code a program for the program to work. And when we come here, we have this actually a modern set of AI lab. So on my extreme end, please, can you make room? We have a charging cabinet. What it does is that it makes sure that no tablet leaves this place to be charged outside. So once we are done with whatever we are doing and we see that the tablets are running low, let me get closer, let me show you how it works. What we do, you can see we have some cables here. These are already connected. And once we insert a tablet like this, once we insert it, there is a slot here for charging. As soon as you do the insertion, you will see that it will give you a red signal, as you can see, telling you that the tablet is actually being charged. Once it is fully charged, you will have this green face here. So it's secured, and you lock it and you go with it, and nobody can have access to it until maybe there is some people call cloud-based system. So with this, what the teacher or the instructor can do here is that he can have a project on his laptop and automatically share the software with everybody here. So whether it's an exercise or something they want to do, everybody can be part of it. And with this, they can also control the tablets, in that sometimes a child but we have software that the teacher will see from his system that this child is not paying attention and can lock the tablet. So once the child sees that what I'm doing I can't do, then he will not pay attention to what the teacher is saying, then the teacher can also unlock. So basically this place is, like I said, is a modern set that if we're able to utilize it well, in fact we will go far. So we have a short demonstration, like I said, our first line of coding with the students, so that you see how we do it, and then maybe you can ask for that question. Thank you. Remember asking. Who is randomly walking on the beach? Yeah, to actually behave this way. Now, take your tablet, power it on, take your tablet. I'm talking to the student, please take your tablet, take it. Just remove it from the showcase. Yes. Power it on and let's go.